All right, good morning, everyone. I just got the fire going. It was -6 last night, and it's about 27 now, so a lot warmer, but still cold. And I gotta take these guys out, and we're supposed to have a really big snowstorm today, later on tonight, that's supposed to go for like 2 or 3 days. So I'm probably gonna be stuck here since my car is no good in these hills with the snow. So right now I'm gonna try to head over to my parents and grab some more wood for the fireplace. There he is. We got cat dog over here. Getting a little bit of progress here. The lighting in here is horrible. Did I already say that? I've got a package. So this is, I think I know what this might be. It was in my P.O. box. It's a Trader Joe's bag. Pick. There's a pick in here. It's okay. A pick. So what could be in here? I have a nice little letter with a penguin on it. And then I have some recipes here. Vegan banana walnut chocolate chip bread for 2. I said in one of my vlogs that I thought I had a black walnut tree in my house. And one of the subscribers to the channel, Tamara, sent me a message, and she has been doing this with her family for years. So these are black walnuts, and they go through a whole process of, it takes a few months, I think, and when they're all dried out and everything, and they're open up, you crack them open with a hammer because they're much harder than a regular walnut. And these are organic Trader Joe's. Oh no, this bag is a sweet potato bag from Trader Joe's. So she put a couple handfuls of these black walnuts right there in the bag. So I need a hammer to open those, and then the pick to get them out of there without totally ruining them. And then here are some black walnuts. So she said it has a different taste than a regular walnut. I do want to taste it though. I want to taste one. It does smell a little funky compared to regular walnuts, but let's get a nice, let's get one of the bigger pieces here. Okay, here we go. I'm trusting you, Tamara. I've got a piece of walnut, black walnut. Definitely tastes different than a walnut. I don't hate it. It's a little weird taste. She said that it's better to cook with them, to put them in things, to make, the recipes that I have here. So I'm gonna read these instructions, and maybe I'll actually make this exact recipe and put it on my vlog. So thank you so much. I'm so excited to have these. These aren't bad, but I would rather eat a regular walnut, I think, taste-wise. But it's gonna be fun cracking these open with a little pick here. I never liked walnuts in like cookies or anything, so maybe I'll like it in bread. But I'm wondering if they have the same nutrients, if they have better nutrients than regular walnuts, because I know walnuts are really good for a lot of things, especially omegas. So, and I try to have like about a half a handful per day or every other day of walnuts. So I love walnuts. I never liked them as a kid, but I like them as an adult. There we have it. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, what? We have another box. Another box in the house. Should we do it?
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
We have Kapka, variety pack. Kapka, Jira rice, cumin rice. So these are, I think these are gluten-free, vegan, like all these, authentic Indian, yes. Look at that. And we have dal tadka. These are seasoned yellow lentils. I love this stuff. 19 grams of protein. You can put it right in the Instant Pot. It says vegan right there on the front. And this is vegetable pulao, seasoned vegetable rice, basmati. I love basmati rice. Who doesn't love basmati rice? These are all Instant Pot doable. So this is methi pulao. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'm trying. And that's what matters. Basmati rice. Look at that. So there we go. I don't know where to get these because I haven't seen these in any stores near me. I will be looking for them now that I know what they look like. Folks over at Kopka, thank you. I'm making some vegan zombie baked tofu. Some seasoning on it, and we're going to flip it. Get it nice and crispy on both sides, and then we're going to throw it in the oven for a little while. Okay, it's coming along. I got to preheat the oven though to about 400, and on top of it, this is the Mother Raw Organic Raw Barbecue. We're gonna cook the raw barbecue sauce. It's actually really good. All right, so I made a little marinade. Normally I would just use some veggie stock, but right here I have some hot water, some barbecue sauce, and a little bit of liquid aminos. So I'm gonna pour just a little bit of that, like that. And we're gonna put it in the oven. That's gonna cook into it, evaporate out, and we're gonna be good to go. I did turn that around too. So both sides had barbecue sauce on it, but now we got a fresh coat on the top. There we go. Turn the back burner off. I'm gonna be making some rice. It's looking good. So let's take it out. Yes, I do have pot holders. I've got nice pot holders. What am I doing with this? All right, so there we have it. I got some nice tofu. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then I'm gonna slice it up, and you're gonna see how good it looks. And then the rice is done, cooked to perfection. We'll be back in a second. Full of flavor, and I'm gonna have this with some rice. Maybe add a little bit more of that barbecue sauce. You gotta cook rice the correct way. And you never open it too soon. Perfect. We added some more of the barbecue sauce. Perfect. All right, this is, it's a very cold night right now. Let's see if you can see that. That is correct. It's -6 right now. I just heard something over there. I think Indy hears it too. Hurts to breathe. Oh my gosh. The coldest I've been in is -23, but right now it's -6 and it feels like that. See that? There's Rachel. And here's Indy boy. Indy, you want to go inside? Are you ready? Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. As always, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.